Hey fitness family, are you looking to supercharge your fat loss journey? Many of us hit the pavement, thinking running is the ultimate fat-burning solution. It's great, but what if I told you there are even more efficient ways to melt away those extra pounds? Today, we're diving into 7 incredible hybrid workouts. These aren't just effective, they're dynamic, engaging, and designed to get you results faster than your typical long-distance run. Get ready to transform your routine and ignite your metabolism. Hybrid workouts combine different training styles, like strength and cardio, into one powerful session. This approach maximizes calorie burn during and after your workout, thanks to something called the epoch effect, or afterburn. You'll build muscle, boost endurance, and shred fat all at once. They keep your body guessing, preventing plateaus and making exercise exciting. Plus, they often involve a wider range of motion and muscle groups, leading to better overall fitness. Let's explore these game changers. Kettlebell complexes link several exercises together without putting the weight down. Think swings, cleans, and presses performed sequentially. This builds incredible strength and cardiovascular endurance simultaneously. It's a full-body challenge that keeps your heart rate elevated and muscles working hard. The continuous movement and compound nature make it a superior fat burner. MRT involves performing a circuit of strength exercises with minimal rest between sets. You might do squats, push-ups, rows, and lunges back to back. This method creates a massive metabolic demand. It combines the muscle-building benefits of strength training with the cardiovascular challenge of high-intensity intervals. Your body becomes a fat-burning furnace, even hours after you finish. Take traditional HIIT and add resistance. Alternate short bursts of maximum effort, like burpees with a dumbbell press, with brief recovery periods. This combination skyrockets your heart rate and builds lean muscle. The intense effort, followed by short rest periods, is incredibly effective for fat loss. It's efficient, challenging, and delivers amazing results in less time. This involves functional, full-body movements using unconventional equipment like sandbags, sleds, or farmer's walk handles. Think tire flips, sled pushes, and carries. These movements engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Strongman training builds raw strength, power, and incredible conditioning. It's a fantastic way to burn calories and develop a resilient, powerful physique. CrossFit combines elements of weightlifting, gymnastics, and metabolic conditioning into varied, high-intensity workouts. Each session is different, keeping your body constantly adapting. These workouts are designed to improve all aspects of fitness, including strength, endurance, and agility. The constant variety and intensity make them incredibly effective for fat loss and overall conditioning. Combine the dynamic, full-body cardio of battle ropes with a circuit of bodyweight exercises like squats, lunges, and planks. This creates a powerful blend of strength and endurance. Battle ropes are fantastic for core stability and upper body conditioning, while bodyweight movements ensure a comprehensive workout. It's a low-impact, high-reward option for all fitness levels. Air explosive plyometric exercises like box jumps or jump squats with heavy strength movements, such as deadlifts or overhead presses. This combination targets both power and strength. Plyometrics boost your metabolism and improve athletic performance, while strength training builds muscle mass. Together, they create a potent fat-burning and body sculpting synergy. There you have it. 7 dynamic hybrid workouts that can help you burn fat faster than traditional running. Remember, consistency is key, and finding what you enjoy will keep you motivated. Don't be afraid to try something new and challenge your body in exciting ways. Ready to ditch the long, monotonous runs and embrace a more efficient path to fat loss? Pick one of these hybrid workouts and give it a try this week. Your body will thank you for the challenge and the incredible results. Let's get moving.